Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the pronunciation of some pies in English. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these pies together. Please give it a try. Apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. Apple crumble pie, apple crumble pie, apple crumble pie. Banana cream pie, banana cream pie, banana cream pie. Blackberry pie, blackberry pie, blackberry pie. Blueberry pie, blueberry pie, blueberry pie. Cherry pie, cherry pie, cherry pie. Coconut cream pie, coconut cream pie, coconut cream pie. French silk pie, French silk pie, French silk pie. Key lime pie, key lime pie, key lime pie. Lemon meringue pie, lemon meringue pie, lemon meringue pie. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you feel it in your heart, please donate to our channel. Your donations help our channel grow. Thank you. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.